Shehnaz, Soni, community. I come from a culture and tradition where community is the foundation for everything that we do. And being raised in Karachi, Pakistan, where we were always surrounded by hundreds of people everywhere we go, Karachi being one of the populated city in the world, it became a very habitual thing for me to see people around me all the time, everywhere I would go. And that led me to Los Angeles, which is another very populated city, and then Houston, and then Iowa, and then Huntsville. But the point is that in my case, I have gone from all these cities that were very populated to less populated. And now I've become more aware of how I feel within my own self because I gave myself the opportunity to get to know me. And to me, in order for us to belong to a community, we have to ensure that we belong to ourselves. Our trillions of cells that we have, that we are managing as a community within our human craft, is an art. We all know that just to even be healthy is an art, right? Especially nowadays. So, my message here is that get to know yourself to the extent where you can live with yourself. If you can live with yourself, then you can live with others because then you can keep on interacting with the people that makes you feel home and make the flower of life pattern in your life so that you can live more in peace than not. So, community, let's start building the community within yourself first. And then, based on law of attraction and law of vibration, the right community will find you because what you're seeking is seeking you. Have a wonderful day. Bye.